What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Okay, so we got some stuff to unbox. It's been about a week since I've dropped a video, so I got a whole bunch of stuff. I'm probably gonna drop like three or four different videos. So hit that subscribe button so you can stay tapped in with the channel. We're almost to 200 subscribers. On our way to 1,000 subscribers. And we're gonna get into this box. I'm not wasting no time. Like I said, I got a lot of videos to shoot tonight, so you'll probably see 3 different videos with me wearing the same exact outfit. I'm shooting them all tonight. Alright, so this first box is from Foot Locker. Oh, let me fix my camera. Yeah, this first box is from Foot Locker. I got this box like 2 weeks ago. It's the Funko Pop number 115. Let me see, is this light good? Make sure. Funko Pop number 115. USA basketball, Michael Jordan. A little exclusive. I don't know if they sold out or anything. I know that day they didn't sell out. They had a lot in stock the day that I bought this. So I think it's pretty dope though. I think Michael Jordan got the 7s on. Olympic 7s? I don't know. But yeah, that's the first thing, man. It's Michael Jordan Funko Pop. Cool. Let's get into some other stuff. I don't know which one this is. Let's see. Oh, okay. Supreme beanie. Like a yellow, red, little New Era. Supreme. Of course, it comes with your stickers. I got it because I got hella yellow and black. I got hella yellow and black shoes, so I figured why not, right? You see what I'm saying? I figured why not. So I copped this little beanie. I don't know how much it was. I don't remember. Couldn't have been that much if I bought it. So yeah, got that. Let's see what else we got going over here. Got another bag. And this, I've been waiting a couple weeks for this, but finally came in. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand. Carrots by Anwar. Anyways, look. I got this to go with all my orange shoes that I got going back there. All them shattered backboards and all them low tops. This shirt's pretty fun. I seen this on Instagram. I thought it was pretty damn funny. Children of the future. Down the sleeves, you know, says carrots. So it's pretty soft. Let you see it one more time. What you guys think? Comment below, man. Let me know what you think about this shirt. Carrots by Anwar. What else we got? What else do we got? We got one more box for this video, and then I'm gonna drop another video with some more shoes that I got. But this pair of shoes, man, it's not for me, it's for my daughter. Bam! Another pair of Social Statuses. First ones was the chocolate milk. These ones are like the same little print. Yo, chill. Strawberry milk for my little baby. Oh, these are dope. These are so... I tried to get them in my size, but obviously I did not hit on my own size. So whatever, man. If I can't get a pair, then, you know, the little baby can get one. The other one's for my 3-year-old. The chocolate milk I got for my 3-year-old, and so the strawberry milk for the 3-month-old. These are fire. These are super hard. Yo, they're hella soft. Oh, that is hella cute. What you guys think, man? Comment below. What you think about that little miniature pair of strawberry milks? After she can't fit these, I'm definitely putting these up in the room as decoration. Like, these are dope. Comment below, man. What do you guys think about the little mini pair Social Status? It's a clean shoe. Social Status did pretty good. They did pretty good. It even comes with spare laces, bro. It was kind of dope. Guys, make sure you hit that like button, that notification bell, all that stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay tapped in with the channel, man. I'm out of here. I unboxed some stuff. I'll be back with another video. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.